Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel GK Technologies. Friends, today we have discussed about in electrical insulating material. What is electrical insulating material? The material that does not allow to flow the electric current through it. Basically, it is used for the suppose that it's cable and there is a conductor. It also help to support the electrical conductor, and so it provides the insulation. Its function is that it does not allow the flow any electrical through it in the insulation. It also helps to prevent from the shock. It is also used in the इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर सिस्टम. ठीक है, कभी भी अपने को अगर लाइव पे काम करना है विदाउट अगर इंसुलेशन नहीं रहेगा तो डायरेक्टली ह्यूमन बीइंग को क्या लग जाएगा, शॉक लग जाएगा. तो फ्रेंड, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिकल इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल. बेसिकली द इलेक्ट्रिकल इंसुलेटिंग मटेरियल आर बेसिकली टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट आर स्टेट ऑफ मटेरियल and another one is the temperature withstand ability. So friend, we have today discussed temperature on withstand ability. Generally the classification of insulating material, classification of insulating material on the basis of temperature ability. So friend, the insulation, any equipment or machines, the insulation is the main factor to decide the which machine having the which type of insulation. So friend, the classification of insulating material on the basis of temperature, there is a six class of insulating material, 7 class of insulating material. The first is the class Y insulating material, and then another one is the class A insulating material, then another one is the class E insulating material, then class B insulating material, then class F, class H, and last one is the class C insulating material. So friend, it is the sequence of insulating material on the basis of temperature availability. Class Y, class A, class E, class B, class F, class SC. So friend, how to identify and remember the sequence of the class of insulating material? There is a one trick of remembering the classification of insulating material on the basis of temperature. There is a one tricks, friends. So tricks are the you are engineer best for hybrid computer. Friend, it is the basic tricks to how to remember the sequence of the all types of insulation. U stand for Y stand for U are R for A, E for engineer, B for best for B, and F for H for hybrid, and C for computer. So tricks are the you are engineer best for hybrid computer. So friend, let us now calculate what is the tricks of calculating their temperature range. So friend, generally we have to know the temperature of class Y insulation is start from 90 degree Celsius. Friend, 90 degree Celsius. So how to calculate the class Y insulating material without remembering? So friend, there is a basic logic. In class Y insulating material, we have to add we have to add 15 degrees Celsius temperature. 90 plus 15 is equal to 105. Then how to calculate class-wise? Same. It's also adding the 15 plus 15 degree temperature. 105 plus 15 is equal to 125. Same is there. There is a 120. 105 plus 15 is equal to 120. Then friend, in class B insulation having only 10% of temperature add. So friend, 120 plus 10 is equal to 130 degree Celsius. Now next we are adding for attaining the class F insulating material. There is a adding of plus 25 degrees Celsius. That means 130 plus 25 is equal to how much? 155 degrees Celsius. Then also we have to add a 25 degrees Celsius to obtaining the class H insulating temperature range. So 155 plus 25 is equal to 180 degrees Celsius. In the last one stage, class C insulating material, it having temperature above 180 degrees Celsius. Above 180 degree Celsius temperature. So friend, these are the basic tricks and logics and calculation of temperature with different rating. So here sequence, this is a basic trick. You are engineer based for hybrid computer. By using we are remembering the sequence of classification of insulating material, and there is a short tricks of remembering their temperature rating. Thank you.